my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now the video that you're about to see was recorded 3 years ago. In June 2017 I casted the Autobot logo from the Transformers. You can find that video in the pop-up right here. And I think 1 week after that I casted the Decepticon logo, but I never published the video. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to publish it now. Now you will probably see some difference in technique, in casting technique, because 3 years ago I used the lost foam method. I cut out some shape with a hot wire in foam. I put it in the casting sand and then I pour on the molten brass. So that will be a different technique than the casting technique that I use these days. But hey, it's a retro casting video from me. I hope you like it, guys. Sit back, relax and enjoy this old school casting video.